Hey there, I just got the OLOM Eclipse Smart Ring delivered this morning, and honestly, I'm pretty excited. First thing you see is the ring embossed on top of the box. Nice little detail. On the side, there's the Eclipse ring name with the brand motto, Wear the Future. Kinda took me back to my first smartwatch. Big, bulky, screamed nerd. This one doesn't say much, just sits there like, yeah, I've evolved. The whole packaging has this clean, minimal feel to it. I ended up picking size 11 for my ring finger. Took me a while to decide. When I opened the box, it made that satisfying whoosh sound. Very premium. Inside, there's a little booklet and the charging case. The booklet starts with a welcome card that says, OLOM is more than a ring, it's a choice to live with intention. I like that. Simple, but meaningful. Then you get a sticker with the OLOM logo. I might slap it on my laptop later. There's also a user manual with what the ring tracks, what's inside the box, how to charge it, how to wear it right. Quick tip. The 3 sensors should face the palm side of your hand, closer to your veins for better accuracy. There's also a QR code to download the app. We'll get to that in a sec. Underneath all that, there's a USB-C cable, and here's a nice surprise. It's magnetic, and it untangles itself. Seriously, don't you hate how all those cables just become a tangled mess in your drawer or your bag? This one's neat and solves that little headache. Now the charging case. Has the OLOM logo on top, ring size at the bottom. Feels like a cozy little home for the ring, and yep, it charges the ring when it's plugged in. And, finally, the Eclipse ring itself. The shadow black finish looks super sleek and minimal. You can actually see the sensors through the 3 optical domes along with the LED receptors and the PCB inside. On the inner band, you've got the Eclipse ring name, size, the OLOM logo, and even a QR code for the serial number. Overall, it feels like a tiny piece of engineering magic. And I can't wait to start wearing it and tracking everything.